Hi, I'm Tim Tyler, and this is a video about the terminology used for classifying machine intelligence. There's an existing classification scheme used by the machine intelligence community which divides specialist agents from generalist ones. So, if you imagine a bar graph where along the x-axis are a range of different problems, and up the y-axis is the ability of each of those different problems, and I'm going to simulate the bar graph with my hands. So here is an agent which is completely stupid and is at zero intelligence at all the various different problems, and then there's a highly intelligent agent that's good at all of the problems. You can imagine a special purpose intelligence might look something like that, where they've just got a single ability at solving one particular kind of problem, or maybe like that, a couple of abilities. And then more general purpose intelligence might look something like that, where they've got a range of different abilities at different problems, and maybe better at some than at others. So the existing terminology is to describe all the agents in the space as being intelligent agents, and then some of them are described as having general intelligence, the ones that have a broad spread of abilities across a range of different problems, and then there's other ones which are highly specialised in a particular area. They're described as having intelligence in a narrow domain. It seems to me that there are some problems with the existing terminology. One is that it's relatively verbose. Another is that the terms used aren't really antonyms of each other, so normally narrow opposes broad and general opposes specific. Also, it devalues the concept of intelligence and means that you have to grant that there's a modicum of intelligence even in your robot vacuum cleaner simply because it's good at doing one particular task. Also, there's a rather questionable link to Spearman's general intelligence factor, which has more to do with the thesis that measures of intelligence in different domains are highly correlated in the case of human beings. My least controversial proposal is to make more use of the term expert for systems that are currently described as being able to solve problems in a narrow domain. That builds on the existing terminology used for expert systems. The area in which the systems are competent could be described as their area of expertise, and the extent to which they're competent in that area could be described as their degree of expertise, or maybe their expertness. A number of machine intelligence researchers appear to have settled on a definition of the term intelligence that describes the ability to solve problems in a wide range of different domains. The term intelligence on its own could then be used for systems that are currently described as having general intelligence. If researchers adopt a definition of intelligence that requires ability across a range of different problem domains, then the term general intelligence becomes rather redundant. So, if specialist agents have expertise and generalist agents have intelligence, what term should be used to refer to the umbrella category which includes both types of agent? I think that category is less important than the ones that it contains, and so I've given out the best terms to them. The umbrella category could perhaps be called goal-directed agents. Enjoy.